how to delete downloads on Android. So now go ahead and launch the My Files application. But if you're having a difficult time locating this application, just slide up and then this search bar will appear. Then type in My Files and then tap My Files application. And under categories, you will be provided with 6 options, and one of which is the downloads icon. Just tap on that icon. So here you will see a bunch of different files. May it be a photo or a document. So in this panel, you can now start deleting downloaded files or photos on your phone. So this is done by long pressing the file that you want to delete, and then a menu panel will appear on the bottom. So now go ahead and select Delete. Then choose Move to Recycle Bin. And that is how you delete downloads on Android. Thank you and have a great day.